Hey guys, okay, I know. Usually I start with welcome to SmartBlox, but this is after I recorded the video, and I just want to say a big shout out to my fan in my Discord server for winning an event, and the reward was a shout out. So check him out. He is in the link of the description below, and subscribe to him. Let's get him to 50 subscribers or something. Thanks. Alright, onto the video. Welcome to SmartBlox. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Roblox ad. So, the ad I'm going to be creating is a skyscraper ad. And what the dimensions are, as you can see right here, is 160 by 600. I am in sketch.io, which will be in the description below. It's a free website that you can do simple things like this. Now, I'm going to be using GFXs, so if you want to know how to make GFXs just as cool as mine, then click the little icon that has just appeared and watch that video. Once you have gotten your GFX, make sure it has a transparent background. And I'm going to be promoting a group of my friends. So let me quickly load in my render. And boom! There is my render, and I have already positioned it. And what you want to do is make an ad that is attractive. So what I'm going to do is add some text here. So I'm going to do join Canopy Hotels. In the link of the description below. So I can't actually see it. Join Canopy Hotels. I assume that is spelled right. And then I can go ahead and grab it and do that. Join Canopy Hotels today. And we can select a cool font here. So let's see what fonts we have. This font is okay. And you want to make sure it stands out, and then we're going to do blue. Blue, I think that's a good nice blue. And then we can position it right here. This looks good. I'm not trying to make this perfect for today's video, but here we go. That looks pretty good. And then what we can do is get a nice beach background. So let me quickly load one in. Whoa, awesome, cool background. There we go. We have a Join Canopy Hotels. And let's load in their logo as well. Oh, there it is. That looks so cool. Let's go ahead and zoom in quickly and see how it looks. This looks great. I think we have finished our ad. So let's go ahead and go export and download PNG. There we go, we saved it right here, and now we can go ahead and upload it. I assume you guys know how to upload it, and if you don't, you can go ahead and look it up on YouTube or request it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for all of you today. And make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications. It really helps me out a lot. Until next time, see you in the next tutorial. Bye. Yeah, this is a cool outro. Bam, cool music. Yeah, bam, boom, bam, bam, bam.